Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload any file to Google Drive in just a few easy steps. If you've ever wondered how to save your documents, pictures, or videos safely online, then this video is for you. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Open Google Drive. First, open your browser and go to Google. At the top right corner of your screen, click on the Google Apps icon, that little square made up of dots. From the list of apps that appears, click on Drive. This will open your Google Drive dashboard. Step 2. Start the upload process. Now that you're inside Google Drive, go to the top left corner and click on the New button. A menu will pop up with different options. From the list, select File Upload. Step 3. Choose your file. Next, a file window will open on your computer. Simply go to the folder where your file is saved, click on the file you want to upload, and then click Open. Step 4. Wait for upload to finish. Immediately, Google Drive will begin uploading your file. You'll see the upload progress at the bottom right corner of the screen. Just wait a few seconds, depending on the size of the file. Step 5. Upload complete. And that's it. Once the upload is complete, your file will appear right inside your Google Drive. Now you can access it anytime, from anywhere, and even share it with others if needed. Outro call to action. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more simple tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.